My name is Leah Herring. I'm from Allentown, PA. I'm a sophomore majoring in molecular and cellular biology as well as biochemistry with a minor in criminology. I originally chose Arizona because I was actually attracted to ASU, but then when I went and visited, I did not like the feel of the campus. I didn't really like how it was in a city as opposed to a separation from the campus itself. But when I came down to Tucson and visited the U of A, I really liked the campus feel and how it was separate than Tucson itself and how it in and itself was an own community. I originally chose MCB because I knew I always wanted to pursue something in the science field. I want to do forensic science eventually, but I wanted to keep myself more open to general biology in case I fell down another avenue that I wanted to pursue in my undergraduate career, but so far, so good. My favorite part of the U of A is probably the friendships I've formed here and the connections I've made and the opportunities I've had. I've gotten really close, being so far from home, I've gotten really close with my friends, and living in the dorm freshman year was definitely a good experience to meet friends, and now I'm still best friends with them and living with my friends, and I feel I don't do anything without them, so that's probably what's made this feel like home. Probably my most memorable class was freshman year, first semester. I took Intro to Folk Dance, and it was taught by the vice provost, and he was a linguistics professor, so he didn't even he wasn't even a dance faculty member, but he just really loved to folk dance, and we would just get together for 3 hours once a week and dance. That was the entire class. It was so easy and it was so fun, and we had this big dance party at the end, and it was so cool to learn about different cultures and how they did dances. So that was probably the most impactful experience I've had thus far at the U of A has been my study abroad experience over the summer in between my freshman and sophomore year. I went to Ireland and Italy studying abroad with the Honors College, and I earned the Gen Ed requirements, so it was nice to get those out of the way, but then also exploring the different countries with my friends, people my own age, and just fully immersing myself in the cultures was such an eye-opening experience, and it made me realize that I want to keep pursuing avenues to go abroad and visit again someday. I would prefer to go to grad school to get my master's in forensic science. That's the goal right now, but I'm not opposed to seeing what other opportunities lie ahead for me at the U of A, because I know that might change, but so far so good. That's what I want to do. I feel I was drawn to the Science Ambassador program because it's a community of scientists. Everyone comes from their own different major, and we all come together and we all share that one thing in common is that we study the sciences, and it's kind of really cool to see other people in other expertise. It's physics, for example. I know nothing about physics, I'm not the best at that, but seeing other people being good at it and wanting to pursue that is inspiring to me, and it kind of just hits home at how interdisciplinary the sciences are. So I enjoy that, and I enjoy talking to people and meeting new people. So getting to know people that also want to come to the U of A is because I love this place, so I love talking about the U of A, so it's easy to do that.